How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to learn about animals that help us. We have already learned the lesson in the earlier classes, but today, as we have already written lesson 1 and lesson 2, today we are going to write lesson number 3, that is animals that help us in our fair book. So, as every day we do it, I request everybody to take your fair book and your pencil and sit with it. So, I will be dictating and you will be writing. So, as we do every day, today we are writing in the fair book, correct? So, how we will write in the fair book? Now, as I have told you, one thing on one page. So, now given heading, lesson number 3, animals that help us. Right? First, LESSON lesson 3 and write ANIMALS animals, THE that, HELPS help, U as us animals that help us. Now, so as I say every day, we have to write in the fair book. So, how will I make you write? I will dictate and you will write. Okay? Today we are going to write the objectives. What are the objectives? What do objectives include? Hard words, FB, MF, G2E and GOW. In the next session, we are going to write about all the question answers. Okay? So now, let's start. So you are going to write hard words. Now, after that you have given the heading, animals that help us. Now, give a new heading on the same page, that is hard words. HARD, hard, WORDS, words, hard words. So, which is the first spelling that we are going to write? That is domestic. Do you know that what are domestic animals? The animals that can be kept at farms or homes are known as domestic animals. Which are the examples of domestic animals? Cow, buffalo, goat. These all are the examples of domestic animals. What is the spelling of domestic? I will repeat and you will write. Okay? DOMESTIC, domestic. DOMESTIC, domestic. DOMESTIC, domestic. Second spelling. What is the second spelling? Chickens. CHICKENS, chickens. CHICKENS, chickens. CHICKENS, chickens. The third one, eggs. You all like eggs, correct? There are two types of eggs. That is, one is white color and one is another is of brown color, light brown color. What is the spelling of eggs? Which animals do give eggs? There are two animals that give us eggs. That is, first is hen, 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 and second one is DUCK, duck. These two animals give us eggs. EGGS, eggs. EGGS, eggs. EGGS, eggs. Fourth one, silkworm. silk, silk, worm, silkworm. What is silkworm? That insect which gives us silk. From silk we make silk sari, silk scarf. These all things are made from silk. But do you know which insect produces silk? The name of that insect is silkworm. It looks same like earthworm, but it provides us silk. Now, fifth one, tamed. T-A-M-E-D, tamed. Which are the tamed animals? Donkey and horse are tamed animals which are trained and are also domestic. This two combination is known as tamed. What is the spelling of tamed? T-A-M-E-D, tamed. T-A-M-E-D, tamed. Now, sixth one, P-E-T-S, pets. P-E-T-S, pets. P-E-T-S, pets. Which are the pet animals? Cat, dog. These are the pet animals that we keep at home. Seventh one, H-O-M-E-S, homes. H-O-M-E-S, homes. 8. A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another. So hope you all have written the hard words. I am repeating once again. Domestic, chickens, eggs, silkworm, tamed, pets, homes, another. I will repeat once again after we complete the whole lesson. Okay. Now, second thing that we are going to write is filling the blanks. So, the first filling the blanks is, now you have to write on the another page. After hard words, you have to turn the page and now write on the another page. So let's start the filling the blanks. First give the headings. Filling the blanks. This heading, F-I-L-I, F-I-L-L-I-N in T-H-E, the B-L-A-N-K-S, filling the blanks. First give this heading. Now, the first blank that we are going to write, A-C-O-W, cow, C-O-W, cow, is a D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C, domestic, A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. A calf is a domestic animal. A calf is a domestic animal. A-C-O-W, cow, I-S is a D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C, domestic, A-N-I-M-A-L, domestic animal. A cow is a domestic animal. Now, second one. We need, W-E-V-N-E-E-D, need, M-I-L-K, milk, T-O-2, M-A-K-E, make, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, S-U-C-H, such, A-S-S, C-H-E-E-S-C, cheese, A-N-D, and C-U-R-D, curd. We need milk to make things such as cheese and curd. Cheese, curd, These all are milk products. So for this, what do we need? Milk. We need milk to make things such as cheese and curd. Third one, we get honey and wax from beehives. V-W-E-V-G-E-T, get H-O-N-E-Y, honey, A-N-N-W-A-X, wax, F-R-O-M, from B-W-E-H-I-V-E-S, hives. We get honey and wax from beehives. W-E-V-G-E-T, get H-O-N-E-Y, honey, A-N-N-W-A-X, wax, F-R-O-M, from B-W-E-H-I-V-E-S, hives. We get honey and wax from beehives. Fourth one, W-E-V-G-E-T, get W-O-O-L, wool, F-R-O-M, from S-H-E-E-P, sheep. We get wool from sheep. All the woolen clothes that we wear, that is sweater, mufflers, that are made from wool. Where do we get wool from? From sheep. Where do we get wool from? Sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Okay. Fifth one, L-E-A-T-H-E-R, leather. Where do we get leather from? From the skin of dead animals. Where do we get leather from? Skin of dead animals, and it is used to make shoes, belts and purses. L-E-A-T-H-E-R, leather. I-S is U-S-E-D, use. T-O-2-M-A-K-E, make. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. A-N-D and B-E-L-T-S, belts. Leather is used to make shoes and belts. Now from first I will make you do revise. A cow is a domestic animal. We need milk to make things such as cheese and curd. We get honey and wax from beehives. We get wool from sheep. Leather is used to make shoes and belts. Now next, that is match the following. See, as I have told you, every day I tell you that we are going to write MF, but here we write with the answers. But this portion in the exam will not be the same. It may differ. This order of the answers will be different and you have to match the correct answers. Okay. So, what is the correct answer of milk? Which animal gives us milk? Goat. M-I-L-K, milk. G-O-A-T, goat. M-I-L-K, milk. G-O-A-T, goat. E-double-G-S, X-H-E-N-S, hens. Where do we get eggs from? Hens. Where do we get wax from? Beehives. Where do we get wool from? Sheep. And where do we get leather from? Camel. Which animals? What do camel gives us? Leather. Milk is given by goat. Eggs are given by hens as well as duck. Wax and honey both are given by beehives. Wool is given by sheep. Camel gives us leather. Where do we get leather from? Camel. Once again I am making you do it. Milk, goat, eggs, hens, wax, beehive, wool, sheep, camel, leather. Now next, that is give two examples. We are going to write give two examples. Now given heading GIVE, give, T2 EXAMPLES, examples. So first give two example is domestic animals. DOMESTIC, domestic. ANIMALS, domestic animals. What are the two examples of domestic animals? What are domestic animals? The animals that can be kept at farms or homes are known as domestic animals. And which are the examples of that? Cow and buffalo. COW, cow. BUFFALO, buffalo. Cow, buffalo. COW, cow. BUFFALO, buffalo. Now, what is the second one? Animals that give us milk. Which are the two animals? There are so many animals that give us milk, correct? That is cow, buffalo, goat, sheep. These all are animals. But you can write the easy ones, okay? The one you remember. So, animals that give us milk. Which are the animals that give us milk? Cow and goat. So, now write the spelling, okay? ANIMALS, animals. THET, that. GIVE, give. US, us. MILK, milk. COW, cow. GOAT, goat. Animals that give us milk are cow and goat. Now the third one, milk products. Which are the milk products? Products that are made from milk are known as milk products. Which are they? Cheese, curd, butter, buttermilk. These all are obtained from milk. So they are known as milk products. Write the spelling of milk products. MILK, milk. MILK, milk. PRODUCTS, milk products. What is the spelling of cheese and curd? CHEESC, cheese. CURD, curd. Cheese and curd. MILK, milk. PRODUCTS, milk products. CHEESC, cheese. CURD, curd, milk products. Which are the milk products? Cheese and curd. Now fourth one, clothes made of silk. See, we had discussed that about silkworm. Clothes made of silk. Where do we get silk from? Silkworm. We get silk from silkworm, correct? And what is made from silk? Sari and scarf. What are made? Sari and scarf. CLOTHES, clothes. MADE, made. OF, SILK, silk. SAREE, sari. SCARF, scarf. Clothes made of silk. Sari, scarf. Clothes made of silk. Sari, Scarf, S-A-R-E-E, sari, S-C-A-R-F, scarf. Now, animals that carry heavy loads for us. Which are the animals that carry heavy loads for us? That is camel, horse, bullock, donkeys. These are used for going from one place to another in earlier days. Now we have car and motorbikes, but later on donkeys, horse, bullocks, camel, they were used for transport also. Okay, so now we are going to write that animals, animals, T-H-A-T, that C-A-R-R-Y, carry, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy, L-O-A-D-S, loads, F-O-R, for, U-S, us, animals that carry heavy loads for us. Which are that animals? Camel and horse. Which are that? Camel and horse. Camel and horse. Now, next. Give one word. So, animals that can be kept at farms or homes. Which are the animals that can be kept at farms and homes as well? Domestic animals. What are the examples of domestic animals? D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C, domestic. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, domestic animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. T-H-A-T, that. C-A-N, can. B-E-B, K-E-P-T, kept. A-T, at. F-A-R-M-S, farms. O-R, or. H-O-M-E-S, homes. What is the answer of animals that can be kept at farms or homes? Domestic animals. What are the example of domestic animals? Cow, buffalo. These all are the examples of domestic animals. All things made from milk. The things that are made from milk are called milk products. Which are that? Cheese, curd, butter, buttermilk. All these are made from milk. So these are called milk products. A-double-L, all. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. M-A-D-E, made. F-R-O-M, from. M-I-L-K, milk. All things made from milk. M-I-L-K, milk. P-R-O-D-U-C-T-S, products. A thing that is used to make candles. Beeswax. A-T-H-I-N-G, thing. T-H-A-T, that. I-S is U-S-E-D, used. T-O-2-M-A-K-E, make. C-A-N-D-L-D-S, candles. What is the answer of that? B-E-E-S-W-A-X, beeswax. Fourth, a material made from skins of dead animals which is used to make shoes and belts. Leather. A-M-A-T-E-R-I-L, material. M-A-D-E, made. F-R-O-M, from. T-H-E, the. S-K-I-N-S O-F, of. D-E-A-D, dead. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals which. W-H-I-C-H, which I-S is U-S-E-D, used. T-O-2-M-A-K-E, make. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. A-N-D-L and B-E-L-T-S, belts. L-E-A-T-H-E-R, leather. A material made from the skins of dead animals which is used to make shoes and belts. leather. Fifth one, animals, animals. That, keep, over, homes. Pet, pet animals. Animals that we keep in our homes are called pet animals. What are they called? Pet animals. Okay, so from first, now we are going to do revision. So check your book. Okay, that if you have any mistake, just correct it. First one, domestic, domestic, domestic. Second one, chickens, chickens, eggs, silkwam, silkworm, tame, pets, pets, homes, another, another. Now next one, filling the blanks. Cow, is domestic, domestic, animal. A cow is a domestic animal. WEV and EED, need, MILK, milk, TO2MAKE, milk, THINGS, things, SUCH, such, ASL, CHEESE, cheese, and CURD, cut. We need milk to make things such as milk, cheese, and cut. A dash is a domestic animal, cow. We need dash to make things such as cheese and curd, milk. Now third one, we get honey and wax from beehives. WEVGET, get, HONEY, honey, and WAX, wax, FROM, from BEEHIVES, hives. We get honey and wax from beehives. Fourth one, we get wool from sheep. WEVGET, get, WOOL, wool, FROM, from SHEEP, sheep. We get wool from sheep. Where do we get wool from? We get dash from sheep, wool. Dash is used to make shoes and belts. LEATHER, leather. What is used to make shoes and belts? Leather. Now, milk, goat, milk, goat, milk, goat, milk, goat, eggs, hens, eggs, hens, eggs, hens, eggs, hens, wax, beehives, wax, beehives, wax, beehives, wax, beehive, wool, sheep, wool, sheep, wool, sheep, wool, sheep, camel, leather, camel, leather, camel, leather, camel, leather. Give two examples. Domestic animals, cow, buffalo. Domestic animals, cow, buffalo. Domestic animals, cow, buffalo. Animals that give us milk, cow, goat. Animals that give us milk, cow, goat. Animals that give us milk, cow, goat. Milk products, cheese and curd. Milk products, cheese and curd. Milk products, cheese and curd. Clothes made of silk. Sari, scarf, sari, scarf. Animals that carry heavy loads for us. Camel, horse, camel, horse, camel, horse. Which animals to carry heavy loads for us? Camel, horse. Given word last but not the least. Animals that can be kept at farms or homes. Domestic animals. DOMESTIC. Domestic. ANIMALS. Domestic animals. Second one. All things made from milk. Milk products. M-I-L-K. Milk. P-R-O-D-U-C-T-S. Milk products. A thing that is used to make candles. Beeswax. B-E-E-S. Beeswax. Wax. A material made from the skins of dead animals which is used to make shoes and belts. L-E-A-T-H-E-R. Leather. L-E-A-T-H-E-R. Leather. Animals that we keep in our homes. Pet animals. P-E-T. Pet. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Pet animals. Okay. So, we have completed objectives of lesson number 1, lesson number 2 and lesson number 3. Some students have already sent me on my number that they have completed their fair book. Others also have to send me the PDF file or the images that they have completed till lesson number 3. 1, 2 and 3, and as soon as the school reopens I will check that. So everybody has to compulsorily do that. Thank you for listening to me. Soon we will meet tomorrow. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye everyone.